Something big has shifted in how modern vehicles get repaired, and most shops aren't keeping up with it.
Over 40% of repairs now are done using software updates for modules. When manufacturers, OEMs design vehicles, they manufacture with a certain parameter range, right? What happens as the vehicle ages, it gets 60, 70, 80,000 miles on it. Sometimes those parameters become too narrow, yet there's not necessarily a problem with the car.
It used to be about 6 years from the time a vehicle was in the concept phase to the time it rolled off the production line, and a lot of that was testing. That average time to market has shrunk significantly, and that drives part of this because they just can't test it as thoroughly as they wanted to. And there's so many systems now that are electronically controlled.
And manufacturers are building smarter by using software to differentiate.
They can fit many vehicles. So you might have something near the electric power steering. The module that controls that electric power steering might be the same on a Toyota Camry and a Lexus LX something, but you find out, and physically the components may be the same, but the program that runs them is different. So the only differentiating part on some of these components now is the software that runs them.
Bottom line, software is now the primary repair lever, and shops not doing reprogramming are leaving revenue on the table.
And if you're not doing it, you're losing out on revenue, right?